Mr. Shibu, thank you so much for your time. Pleasure talking to you here at ACMA Automechanika New Delhi. You're here as an exhibitor. What is your aim of participating here at the show as an exhibitor?
Automechanika is giving us a lot of opportunity in B2B segment. So we are really looking to connect with a lot of players within India and also external from Europe and USA region. So there are a lot of pullover. Yesterday itself, nearly 100 plus people are walked in, and it's a really a good opportunity and a good platform to showcase our capabilities.
Wonderful. From a product capability, the product range, what are you displaying? What are you showcasing here at the show?
So we have various product lines actually. We are into basically Rambal is a product based company. So we are into water pump, especially on thermal management side, and we are into air suspension for commercial vehicles. And commercial vehicles, when we say passenger commercial vehicles and trucks applications, and also we are there in the Innova for air suspensions. And we are also make shock absorbers and gas springs and some level of motors and compressors as well.
Right. And air suspension is a very interesting new product that that you're kind of focusing on. Tell us a bit more. What has gone into the development of this product? There are already a lot of air suspension products in the market. Why should a company consider sourcing from Rambal?
See, Rambal is as a backward integrated manufacturing, and we have air suspension. We are doing it for quite some time, and today most of the passenger vehicles we have a fitment of our product, and we are also into fully we manufacture this in-house other than the bellows. So we have a full-fledged manufacturing facility for the air suspension.
Brilliant. Can you also give us a quick glimpse about your split between OE and aftermarket? Would you be able to give us an overview?
See, we are mainly we are into export and for USA and the Europe market for suspension parts. Now we are also focusing in Indian market mainly with air suspension and Innova suspension, and also some level of thermal management products for the aftermarket.
Brilliant. Right. One last thing to conclude, your expectations from the show. You had a wonderful first day here at the show. Next couple of days and moving forward, what are your expectations from the rest of the show? Also for the next financial year maybe?
So we are looking to connect with the various people, because now India is now with a lot of opportunities, and that really helping us also move forward and help us to grow our business actually. So that's what we are looking.
Brilliant.
Thank you.
Wish you the very best, Mr. Shibu. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.